Hi guys, it's Jessie here. I am back with another video. I cannot even begin to tell you how badly I wanted to have all these groceries brought in and put away and just go to bed because it is almost 9 o'clock at night and I am exhausted. It's been a long day, but decided against it. I wanted to share my grocery haul with you guys. You guys seem to really like these videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what I picked up this week from Walmart. I did do the grocery pickup again. I can't stop, guys. It's so easy. It's a completely free service. You just order your groceries, you choose a time to pick them up, they load them into the car for you. Couldn't be easier. Keeps me from impulse shopping while I'm in there and buying stuff I don't need, so it's just phenomenal overall. So here are the items I picked up for my family and I for the week. First of all, I got a ton of bananas. You guys, my family and I have been obsessed with bananas recently. I eat a banana every single morning. My kids are crazy for them, so we've been going through them like they're going out of style. So I bought a ton of bananas this week. Hopefully these will last the week. Also got some Fuji apples, which are some of my favorites. These are nice and sweet. And crisp and delicious, so I got those. A whole bunch of English muffins because I want to do some breakfast sandwiches, both for breakfast and for a dinner one night this week. And I got some frozen sausages to go with this as well, which you guys will see here in a minute. I picked up a couple of things of country style ribs. Those are going to be so good. We grill out even during the winter time. My husband's hardcore. He'll be out there in the snow with his coat on, manning the grill. So these are probably going to go on the grill. Got some trimmed and ready little chicken breast strips. Those will make for a nice, easy meal one night. We needed some more cat litter pellets, so I got those as well. Some hearts of romaine. You can never have too many of those. Here are the sausages that I bought for the breakfast sandwiches. I got turkey sausage for those of us in the family that like it, i.e. mostly just me, although I think Austin will eat it as well. And I also got some pork sausage patties, so we got the variety. Moving over here, I got a pound of sharp cheddar cheese, some fat-free cottage cheese that makes for a great snack. I'm doing Weight Watchers. I don't know if I've mentioned that in a grocery haul yet, but this is a great low point snack. Picked up one of these Vermont white cheddar mac and cheese lean cuisines. That makes for a super quick and easy lunch for myself one night, or one afternoon rather. I got some more of the Extreme Wellness high fiber wraps. Love those. Also picked up some cucumbers. We were completely out of coffee. You guys know we love our coffee around here. This is the Donut Shop blend from Great Value, which is our favorite. We got some chicken nuggets. Those make for a great lunch for the kids, and I actually will eat these as well. I love those. Some more of the batter mix seasoned french fries, which are our favorite variety of frozen french fries from Walmart. I got some sugar-free maple and brown sugar instant oatmeal. Also got a box of the crispy battered fish fillets. Those are super quick and easy and delicious in the air fryer. We were completely out of honey, so I picked up a bottle of honey. Focus camera. There you go. Also got some strawberry preserves. Those are sugar-free as well. Some vegetable oil spray. We were all out of quite a few of our staples. Some olive oil. Picked up some of this parquet spray. That's great for on vegetables or rolls or whatever. We were out of soy sauce, so I picked up some more low-sodium soy sauce. I got some stevia packets. Typically I use Splenda, but I've just been wanting to try stevia for a while. I've actually never had it, so hopefully it'll be good. I think it's a little bit less sweet than Splenda, so it'll take some getting used to, but I'm excited to try that. A couple of cans of tuna. Got a bottle of tea for my husband. You guys know how much he loves the unsweet Pure Leaf. And lastly, I picked up some zero sugar Gatorade. These are 3 different flavors. It looks like it's Glacier Cherry, Berry, and Glacier Freeze. So I know for sure I like Glacier Cherry. I've never tried the others, but I imagine they'll be just fine. So that is it for my weekly grocery haul. I spent about $120, and we are all stocked up on everything we need for the week. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. I do grocery hauls every single week. I'd love to have you back. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!